Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is a get ready with me, and today I am going to get ready for a wedding, and this video is basically a wedding guest makeup tutorial, and let's see what look I can come up with today. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing I will be using is a primer. This is by Color Bar. This is my absolutely favorite primer. So the next thing I will be using is an illuminator. This is by the Grwm Girls. This is HD Diamond Cream. So now you can see I look illuminated AF. Anyways, today I will be going with the corrector. This is the Kryolan Orange corrector. Now I'm going to set it with the Kryolan Derma Color Powder. So for foundation, today I will be using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is a new launch in Nykaa. I have also reviewed this product on my channel, so I will leave the link in my description box, so make sure you check it out. So for concealer, today I will be using this PAC Studio Derma Concealer. Baking with the same powder. So for contouring my face, today I will be using the PAC Contouring Kit in the shade 02. This is the powder palette, and I will be using this shade to contour my face. For blush, today I will be going with this Grwm Girls blusher in the shade 05. Also baking under the contour. So I did my brows off camera. Now let's get started with the eye makeup. So today I will be using this palette. This is the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and this is a lovely palette, you guys. Look at the shades. OMG, it is such a beautiful palette. So today I will be using this palette to create an elegant and dramatic look. So yeah, let's get started. So first I will be starting up with the transition shade. I will be taking this shade called Define Me on my crease with this PAC 393 brush. Now I'm going to take the shade Vibrant and apply it on my crease. Now applying the shade Cat Eye on the crease. Now with the previous blending brush, I'm just blending it on my crease so that there is no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take the shade Create. It is one of my favorite, and I will apply it all over my eyelids. Now I will go ahead and blend it on the crease. Now applying the shade Create on my lower lash line. Now taking the mixture of Vibrant and Cat Eye, and I will apply this on the lower lash line. Now for a little bit of glam glitter, I will be using this Miss Claire Pearl eyeliner in the shade Gold Glitter, and I won't be applying this directly. I'm going to take it on my hand, and then what I'm gonna do is take it on my fingers lightly and I will apply this as my eye topper. You can definitely see that it looks so stunning. Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner. Now for kajal, today I will be using my favorite plum kajal. And applying some mascara. This is by Avon. So now I'm going to finish off this eye and apply some falsies, and I will be back. So I've applied some falsies. This is a Daisy eyelash by Kingdom of Lashes, and I've also dusted off the baking I had. Now I will be setting my face with the L'Oreal Makeup Extender. And to highlight my face today, I will be using this Nykaa Highlighting Duo, and today I will be mixing both of the shades. So for lipstick today, I will be mixing two of my Maybelline lipstick. This is in the shade Coral. It is a beautiful nude shade, and this is Vivid Lilac. It is a beautiful fuchsia pink shade. I'm gonna mix this and apply it on my lips. So now I'm gonna wear some jewelries and I will be back. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your loved ones. I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye guys.